Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start this review, let's talk about what do I have to offer, because these products for which I'm doing the review, these products will come and go and will do nothing to you. So you'll probably not make money with any of that thing which you buy in $17-20, okay? So I'll do the review in a moment. Just give me a couple of minutes. So when you come down below my YouTube video, you have these links. Okay, so I'm going to share my personal things which makes me money, the real money I'm talking about, not the shiny objects which you keep buying every day in $17-20. Okay, so below the video I have some links, useful links for you if you want to make real money. Okay, if you want to make that money in dreams, that I will buy some machine in $20 and I will start making money while I sleep, then you can leave this video and you can keep dreaming. Okay, you don't have to be awake for dreaming, you can go back to sleep. But if you want to make real money online, because I have been making these videos for a number of years now, okay, you can go on my channel and you can see how many videos I have made. For example, if I come back and show you, this is not the first time I'm doing this. This is my channel, and come back here in my playlist, okay, and you will see I have done these reviews in the past. So this one showing 1611 videos. Okay, so I did these reviews 4 years ago, then I left it and then I changed my field to forex trading. As you can see here, these forex trading videos, so I have done it, and that's why I'm talking about what I am telling you right now. So come back here, and the first link is swing like a pro. So what does it mean? It's for people who wants to make money in trading. Okay, so when you click on the first link below, you will come to this page right here, and then you can see these short videos. Each video is like 2-3 minutes long. You click on them, you play, and you see how you can make money in swing trading or forex trading. Okay, there are plenty of videos and many more will be updated. This is the proof to show you my knowledge and how this works. Okay, so if you are interested in learning trading or making money with forex trading, even if you're a newbie, you have no idea what's going on here, if you plan to join this program, I'll give you full training, how to set up the account, how to take trades, stuff like that, even if you're a newbie. Okay, this program is mainly for people who are already into trading. They want my setups, my trades, buy and sell and book profits. But if you don't know anything about trading, you can still get this, and I will walk you through in the videos how to exactly join which broker, how to take trades, so you will know once you go through the trading. Okay, so this is method number one, which I personally also do, and you can see here these are my charts. Okay, so it's not something I'm just telling you randomly, blah blah blah. I am doing this personally as well. Okay, so the first link is trading. If you have the money to invest and you can take some risk means that be ready to lose money. That's part of the game. That doesn't mean I'm saying you will lose all the time, but that's part of the part of the gig. You have to be ready mentally. Okay, so if you want to make money in trading, you can try this program. Second link is make money on YouTube like me, so you can come and make YouTube videos. Okay, and especially this traffic Jarvis program will help you to make money using this YouTube monetization. Okay, so for example, if your channel gets monetized by YouTube, if you have like 500 to 1000 subscribers and 3-4 thousand watch hours, which is not easy to get in the last 1 year, then you can get your channel monetized. Okay, so this traffic Jarvis, you can see here, you can make money using videos. Okay, so if you make money, people watch the ads on your videos, you can make money, and you can sell in your, you can sell something in your YouTube videos. As you can see, you can get sales. Okay, you can get sales here, you can get sales there. You can see everything, all the proofs are right there. So I have made this kind of money using YouTube only. If you want to make money using free YouTube traffic and you wanna know how to start on YouTube totally for free, then go and get this program. I'm sharing these methods to you because I have implemented them, used them in my entire personal online life. Okay, so you can go for swing trading if you have the money. If you can go for YouTube, learn YouTube yourself, get it monetized within a month, and in the program you will learn everything how to do this. And the third link is about email marketing, get 100 email leads per day. So if you click here, you will come to this page. You can watch this video before joining, and this will give you 100 email leads per day, and also the system within the within this program. So you will have the autoresponder and you will get 100 leads every day, and you can send emails to them once per day. and you can sell them anything you want. Okay, so you can sell any offer of your choice to these 100 leads, or you can sell this system itself to these 100 leads. Okay, so you have everything covered, and if I show you if that works or not, so you can see this is the system. 100 leads per day, I have been making money with this. Just check this out. Okay, check this out, check this out, check this out. It does work. Okay, whatever I'm showing you, I personally have made money with it. It's not some gimmick. And also, this will not make you rich. This 100 leads program will not make you rich, but if you want extra 200 $300 per month, it's a good thing. Okay, because if you see, my last sale came on 22nd of May 2026, and it's reoccurring. Okay, it's, you see here, last month, this month, before that, so it's reoccurring commissions, profits. Once you make a sale, you get commissions every month, and I have been getting this from number of years. Okay, so this is what I wanted to, this is what I wanted to share with you before I do the review. So if you like till now what you see, then subscribe, like, and share the video. Make sure you check out these programs, because these programs which I'm talking about are made by me only. Okay, so the top two programs are mine, the third one is not mine. So if you want to do trading and work with me, go and click the first link and watch these videos to understand what is going on here, what is my knowledge, if you should work with me or not. Go check this out. And then second link is about to make money on YouTube. If you want to get your YouTube channel monetized, get 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours within a month, go and get this traffic Jarvis and make money with the YouTube free traffic. Okay, and if you want to get 100 leads per day and make commissions like I have shown you right here, then go and click the third link and come and go and join this program and make recurring commissions. All right, that's it. So go and join this program. And now let's talk about this product for which I'm going to do the review. And one more thing, guys, if you want something for free, then you can get this free bonus lifetime email responders. So you can click on this link and you can join my email list. Make sure whether you buy anything or not doesn't really matter. You go and join my email list, click on this link and enter, click on continue after that, and then enter your email and the name, and then you will be getting a free lifetime email autoresponder as well, okay, as a bonus. So go and check out these things and also join my free email list, the last link here. And then let's talk about and do the review now. All right, guys, let's do this RedMator review. So we are on the red sales page on RedMator. It says the sneakiest way to get hundreds of leads, daily customers on demand without ever running paid ads, called the Ends Content Grind, or SEO. Introducing world's first AI-powered Reddit marketing app, puts you inside the exact Reddit threads Google, ChatGPT, and AI Answer are already sending your buyer to, and turn them into customers on demand. RedMator finds the buyer ready Reddit conversation, starts conversations for you, and turns that thread into, well, long story short, there's too much to read here. Long story short, what it does, let me show you the dashboard. Okay, so this is the dashboard here. You can see posts, tracking, engagement, and reply, this and that. Okay, and these are those hot topics from recent posts on Reddit. So what this software is supposed to do, it is going to find some hot topics which are popular on Reddit currently in last 24 to 48 hours, you can say. And then it is going to engage with those posts. Engage means that it's going to drop some comments, below those posts. So when you drop a relevant comment, they might notice you, they as in the potential buyers or readers. Okay, so let's say there is a post in the make money online niche. People are discussing about, how you can make money with AI. And this RedMator software will go and comment on that post and say, okay, I love this post, blah, blah, blah. And you can check out this method to make money with AI. And that could be your affiliate link of whatever you want to sell. Okay, so that is the concept, that go and engage with the existing posts on Reddit using this software on automation in the backend. Okay, on autopilot. And also this software can post on Reddit periodically. You can just create post campaign here. Okay, and then you can schedule your posts for daily basis, or maybe 1 or 2 posts every day, whatever your schedule will be. So once your posts goes viral or people start commenting on that, you will get free traffic. All right. So we know how these things work. Like, if you can make it work, you can get free traffic from Quora or from Reddit or from Twitter, maybe. So sometimes it does work, but people don't really have time to go and do this manually. You know what I mean? Okay. You will not have time to open Quora every day and then go through the posts of you people and then read everything what they're saying and then comment on them and then hope that somebody will read your answers and then hope that they will click on your link and then hope that they will buy something from you. Okay, so there's too much hope in that. So why not do this in automation? Okay, so you can try this RedMator. You will find the link below, and we also have the demo video, which is like 20 minutes long, 21 minutes long to be precise. Okay, so we'll go into this one by one. I'll try to keep this video short because you have to spend your time in watching this 21 minutes long video before you buy this. So I'll try to keep this review short because you have to go and watch that demo video. So first of all, below this review, below this YouTube video, you will find a couple of links. First of all, you will find the link of the sales page. It will be saying grab a RedMator copy here. Click on that link. That link will take you to the sales page. And also there will be a link saying watch demo video for RedMator. Click on that link. That link will take you to this 21 minutes long demo video, which you have to watch because you need to know how this is going to work for you. Okay. So I think I have explained in simple language what RedMator is going to do, because on the sales page we have too much technical wordings to be used. So I have explained that you can automate your engagement on Reddit posts which are already viral, and also you can schedule your own posts, and if people will engage, you will get free traffic. Because remember, doing this manually will frustrate you, and you will not remember that you have to post today or at what time. But when you do this automation, you can be anywhere and the software will keep doing this for you. Okay, you have to set the campaigns once and go through the demo video, go through the training first to know how this software is going to work. Okay, so do we have some question answers here? So let's see. Do I need Reddit experience? You don't have to have experience in Reddit. Do I need followers? No. Will RedMator work? Will RedMator write Reddit replies for me? Of course, I told you already. Can RedMator help me get leads without paid ads? Yes, it can, if you do this correctly. Okay. Can I use RedMator for clients? Yes, you can. What if RedMator you have 30 doesn't work? No, you have 30 days of money back guarantee. Okay. However, as I said, you have to be patient enough because these are the sites which are not in your control. Okay, sites like Facebook, Instagram, this Reddit or Twitter or this and that, Facebook, for that matter, they work as long they work, but when they decide to suspend you, you can't do damn thing about that. Okay, so as long it will work, it might work, but don't really rely full time on your traffic or on your marketing on any single website. Okay, if you're a smart marketeer, if you are a smart businessman owner, you know how to diversify your resources. Okay, you don't rely only on one source, because that can be closed anytime or banned anytime. Okay, so act smart, be smart. And if this method attracts you, that okay, yes, I'm excited to try this RedMator and automate my Reddit account on using this, then why not go and grab the copy. You will find the link below my sales page, and also you will get this thing called free lifetime email autoresponder. So I'll send you free lifetime email autoresponder if you go and buy from me. Okay, and also I'll leave the link of the demo video, so go and watch the demo video as well before you buy. And coming back to the dashboard, before we come to the dashboard, let's talk about the OTOs right here first. Okay, and also let me give you the discount coupon first. So use the discount coupon RM50, and that might give you some discount, maybe $5, I don't know. Just go and check out how much you will get off. So on front end, go and use the discount coupon for RM50, and on the bundle price, which will be, oh, sorry. So this discount coupon is for bundle price only, which is like $50 discount. Okay, so you can get bundle offer in $247. Okay, when you use the discount coupon, right? Demo video, I will leave the link below my video anyway. And the OTOs are where? OTOs, these are the OTOs as you can see. So OTO 1 is this, OTO 2 is this, OTO 3 is this, OTO 4 is this. As you can see everything here. Okay, so there are 6 OTOs, not much explaining what you will be getting inside. So you have to visit the relevant sales pages to know what you will be getting in OTO 1, 2, 3, and you can pick and choose there whatever you need. You can go for those OTOs. Whatever you don't, you can leave it. And here are those OTOs as well. So OTO 1 is 97. Again, they don't explain much what you're gonna get inside the OTO. So you have to be on their sales pages first, then only you can pick and choose. Okay. So this is the dashboard. We are inside the RedMator. This is the review copy. So let's go to quick training here. And these are the quick training videos which you can go and watch before starting. Then you can go to projects here, and again click on create project, and do this after watching the demo video. Otherwise you will have no clue what to do here. Okay, so I'm not going to play around here because the demo video is too long, so I'm not going to play around. And let's come back to create post campaign. I already have explained to you how you can schedule your posts on Reddit so that you do not have to publish them manually. You can just come here and automate your work for next 1 week and then just walk away. Okay, then again, you have my campaigns, which means any campaign which is live right now. You can see those here, publishing your posts or replying to existing posts on Twitter, on this Reddit. Okay, then you can create some AI training agent here. So again, you will not understand a damn thing here without watching the demo video. Okay, there is a reason why the demo video is for 21 minutes. It's pretty long, but you have to watch it. Okay, so go and watch that 21 minutes long demo video, then only you will understand how to use the dashboard and what are the features you're gonna get. Then we have opt-in pages right here, so you can create your opt-in pages. Click on opt-in pages here and choose your design, this and that. Okay, then again you have some new opportunities. Let's see. Right. So it's going to search, it's going to take time. So these are the new opportunities, meaning that you can reply. These are the latest posts. Okay. New opportunities means hot, viral, latest posts in Reddit. You can go and reply to them. And then if they visit your link, which you will leave, then you will get free traffic. Okay. Then we have post scraper plus DM. So it will take some time, I guess. Leads finder. Again, the same thing here. Post scraper means it's scraping those posts from the internet which are viral in the last few days. Leads finder is, again, it's going to take some time, I guess. So I'm gonna leave this for now. Then you have some AI SEO, and you have to go and watch that demo video as well to see how this works. Then you have some insights, the analytics. You can check your leads and everything. Then you have visitor count, you can check here, and analytics and everything like that. Okay. All right, so you can get the white label license as well. White label means that you can sell this as your own software by changing the name. Just go and buy the OTOs. You can get the support here. You can get the team access here. So I guess you got everything covered. And also the dashboard here, I guess you have some support sections. So if you go to quick training, in quick training, if you scroll down, you can contact support here. Okay. So that's it, I guess. Go below my YouTube video, click on the first link, come to the sales page, go grab your copy. And the second link is demo video. Go and watch the demo video first. And if you want to make money in the methods which we have explained in the beginning of the video, the trading, the YouTube, and the email marketing. So if you want to work with me, you can join my mentorship program in trading. That's the swing trading link below my video. And if you want to make money on YouTube, just like me here, then get your YouTube channel monetized. So go and check out that link which says make money with Traffic Jarvis on YouTube. And then if you want 100 email leads per day and sell whatever you want to them, then go and join that email leads program below my video. Okay, thanks for watching, and subscribe, like, and share. Until then, take care.